Let somebody shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Tonight I hear the sound of the abundance of rain. Tonight let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Say I hear the sound of the abundance of healing. I hear the sound of the abundance of Ephata. I hear the sound of the abundance of a turnaround. I hear the sound of the abundance of the hand of the Lord. The abundance of celebration. I hear the sound of the abundance of congratulation. I hear the sound of a new season. I hear the sound of the abundance of evidence. I hear the sound of the abundance of answers. Of the abundance of rising. Shafire, 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 Shafire. Say today, any power that will arise against the abundance of my answers, you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie. Any sound of shame, any sound of pain, any sound of delay, any sound of denial, any sound of arrows, any sound of limitation. What are you doing around my life right now? Fire, 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 fire. Open your mouth. Hey, Jesus, 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 Jesus. Hey, hey. Somebody pray. It's raining. Somebody pray. It's raining. Somebody pray. It's raining. Somebody pray. It's raining. Hey, let your amen turn the louder. Let your amen rise higher. Let your amen rise higher. As I announce in the name of Jesus, I want you to shout it. Let it rain. In the name of Jesus. 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 Let your amen turn louder. Somebody shout Ephata. 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 Say today, rain of evidence, fall, rain of answers, fall, rain of turnaround, fall, rain of a new season, fall, rain of laughter, fall, rain of joy, fall, 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 now, 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 now. Open your mouth and look at the better and shake it. Yes, sir. Right on, Jesus. Give us more rain. Give us more rain. Give us more rain. Yes, sir. Give us a shakata. The former rain, the latter rain, the present rain. At the same time, right on, Jesus. Yes, sir.